Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com. Today is Friday, June 30th. The time is 2:45 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of Euro Yen 45 minutes time frame. So we can see it rallies as an impulse, ending with 3 right here. So with 3 in the minute degree, subdivides into 5 waves in the lower degree in the blue color here. And now we are doing the pullback in the wave 4. In the black color here, the minute degree, and the wave 4 is subdividing into a 7 swing correction. So we have 1, 2, 3 ending W, the first leg of the correction. So now looking for a corrective rally X, possibly from there we can do another leg down again in the form of another ABC. So it's a ABC or double zigzag, and once that is completed, then we should be looking higher again. The 7 swing. Now, as to what kind of target for the wave 4 gonna be, typically you want to wait until you can see both the W and X fully formed, which we have not seen the X fully formed yet. Now once you are able to see this W and X clearly here, then you can try to measure the Y extension equal to the W. Typically the projection is between 100% to 161.8%. So that will be the potential target lower. Now that doesn't mean it is bearish, even if it can go down, because the sequence is bullish, the right side is up. So when the trend is up, as indicated by the right side up, sometimes you don't do another pullback, and maybe sometimes you can even rally immediately like this because the trend is still up. Okay, now if we zoom out and get some ideas where the 5 ways move start. So this is the 3 and the 4 in the black. If I go to the daily time frame, so this is the 3, the same with 3 here in the 1 hour, and we are now looking for wave 4. So this is your 1 and 2 here. So we are talking about the rally that started from May 12th, right? So for May 12th, it's clear this rally is impulsive, and it looks to be missing one more leg at least to finish the 5 ways up from here. Alright, so once we finish with the wave 4, we can get one more push to for wave 5 before we finish the cycle from May 12th, and then from there we can get a little bit bigger pullback again. Now ideally wave 4 usually is somewhere between 23.6, 38.2. It could be sometimes shallower than this, but ideally it is somewhere around here. So because the 23.6 is actually still kind of lower, right? Still 200 pips lower. So you can see right here that there is a possibility that this decline actually becomes even a little bit bigger pullback, right? We could become a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example, a 5 ways down, ABC like this before going higher, or it can become another bigger WXY. But regardless, the exact pattern of the corrective structure is always going to be in 3 swing like this, or in a 7 swing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So regardless the degree of the correction, the corrective pattern is going to follow the 3 swing or 7 swing structure. And since the right side still is bullish at this point, right? Therefore, if there is any pullback, again, we should expect the pullback to continue to find buyers every single time in 3 swing or in 7 swing at the 100% extension area. Okay, so that's the update for Euro Yen today. As always, if you want to get more updates on the Euro Yen or any other Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, feel free to check our service. You can learn more about our technique as well. And the link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.